YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we're back with some quick fix videos on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. Today we actually have the gray cleaner. We are going to dive in and start doing some fixes. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So again, today we have a Pentair Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. We have the all gray version today. We are going to show you guys how to get this hose clamp off that actually holds the tail sweep for the cleaner. If for whatever reason the hose rips or tears, you guys want to make sure that you do replace this piece of equipment on the cleaner. It's very crucial to the functionality. This thing whips back and forth behind the cleaner to make sure that it kicks up all that dirt and debris so that the cleaner functions and can actually pick up a lot more in your pool. So if for whatever reason it is ripped or torn, you guys do need to take the whole thing apart and replace the entire sweep hose. Make sure you guys check out the links in the description to the website. We've got all this stuff for you guys. First step you're going to do with replacing this, if it hasn't already came off, is it does have a sweep hose clamp. So this clamp is a little bit beefier than your typical zip tie. In a pinch, if you needed to, and this thing broke and you're just looking to keep your sweep hose attached, you could use a zip tie on here. Just make sure you guys snip off any of the extras so you don't take the risk of ripping your bag or anything like that. You don't want that extra piece just floating around. But we do sell these OEM direct clamps down in the description for you guys. It's much cleaner of a look for the cleaner to just help increase the functionality. One trick I like to use to get these things off is I use like a medium-sized flathead screwdriver. The way that this clamp comes together, it's really difficult to try to pinch apart with just your fingers. So one simple thing is you're looking to get in between the locking mechanism on the clamp. So I just take my flathead screwdriver and I try to kind of hold it right in the middle and just give it a little love tap. You don't ever want to hit it too hard. You don't want to take the risk of breaking it if you plan on reusing it. And you don't want to take a chip at your sweep hose because then you will end up having to replace the entire sweep hose. So you're just going to kind of give it a little tap until you guys can see where the clamp itself actually separates. You go ahead and grab it with your other hand. Make sure that it doesn't just clamp right back up on you because it happens. It's very tight. And then you're just going to pull it off of the sweep hose. As you guys can see, the clamp is pretty sturdy. It's got little teeth here in between that'll actually lock it in. You guys can hear it. So once you're going to grab your new one, it'll come open for you already. Since it's not around the hose, it's actually easier. The whole point of the screwdriver is doing just like I'm doing with my hands, is you guys are just trying to separate it that way so that it comes off the hose easier. So once you get your new one, put your new sweep hose onto the feed mast here, which can be a little bit of a pain in the butt. You guys got to make sure you wiggle it on there really good. You're going to just feed it around right at the edge. You don't need to be, the end of the feed mast is about right here, so you want to go about 1/4 of an inch in just to make sure that you're grabbing it. And then once you get your new one on, you're just going to pinch it until you guys hear that noise again and it's nice and tight. It does have little grips on each end to help you guys kind of push it closed, but doesn't help you get it open. So again, make sure you guys check out all the links in the description. We got all these products for sale for you guys to make sure that your Pentair Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner is up and running perfect. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.